Okay, here we have a Great Custom Belts CNC etched HD classic WWF tag belt, dual plated. Now, growing up a WWF fan, my favorite belts were, of course, the Triple Crown, the Winged Eagle, the Intercontinental, and the tag belt. I've been collecting belts since, geez, I don't know, 2003, with my first belt being the light heavyweight Figs Inc. I've had numerous belts over the years, and the classic tag is one that has eluded me since now. I always wanted it in all gold. I've been waiting for WWE Shop to re-release the classic tag in all gold, but they never do. But actually, the dual plated has been growing on me over the last several years, looking at pictures and watching the old videos. It just looks really nice, so I decided to give this a shot. This is my first ever CNC made belt, and overall I am very, very impressed. Great Custom Belts was a pleasure to deal with. Easy communication, fast shipping. Now, this belt was already in stock when I purchased it, so I didn't have to wait for it to be made. I'm not sure how long the wait times are to be made, but this was already in stock, ready to be sold, so took the opportunity to buy it, and I'm very happy. Now, something about the WWE Shop dual plated tag belt I didn't really like. I don't know if it's like the mirroring of the quote unquote nickel plating, but I just didn't, something just seemed off with it. I didn't really love it, so I never purchased it, but this thing is really beautiful. I know some people complain about the CNC, that it looks too clean, or, you know, the etching on the edges of all the artwork is smooth, unlike the acid etched belts, where you can see how the etching is kind of gives it those ridges. This doesn't have that. This is CNC, nice clean edges, and it's, you know, kind of like how a WWE Shop belt looks. But this thing, I'm really happy with it, so let's get into it. Like I said, the etching is pretty deep. Looks like the plates are about 4 millimeters, similar to WWE Shop. He did a nice job on the paintwork here. I don't really see any overspills or anything. The bottom here, you got the Reggie initials, the replica wording. You can see there. The leather's decent. It's not the best. Obviously, it's way better than WWE Shop fake leather straps. But this is real. It's not the top of the line quality, but it is good. It's flexible. Does have a nice flop to it. The edges are nice and sealed, so he did do a nice job on that. The backing, covered up. I'm not sure. It might be fake leather. I'm not 100% sure, but bolts are covered up. I'm not sure what this is here. It's kind of weird. It's almost, I'm not sure what that is, but doesn't affect the belt at all. You can kind of see Great Custom Belts here a little bit. Very faint. One piece tip. logo plate. Got the stamping around the logo plate. I'll go over the plates in detail in a second. A couple areas of improvement I would say. One is I don't really love the leather cut. Up here is fine. When it comes down here, I just think it should be more gradual. But again, I bought this one in stock. I didn't really specify my preferences, so that's on me. But I'm sure if you ask him to make it the way you want, he can do that for you. I just feel like it's more accurate when it comes down gradually instead of here like this. This here, snaps are, I don't know if they're dirty or what, tarnished. I can easily fix that myself, but take some Brasso to them. But they are a little tarnished. One piece belt tip is a nice touch. It is a little thick, but it's nice. You can kind of see the glue. Yeah, how it's being kept on. The plates are very nice. Again, look at this. Look at how deep the etching is. The mirror finish is nice. It's really nice to have the actual WWF logo. Again, this thing blows a WWE shop replica out of the water, in my opinion. I've been collecting belts for many years. I've held, WWE shop belts, ORM belts, Classic Shields belts, great custom belts. And this, for the price I paid for it, I can't say enough good things. It was cheaper than a WWE shop replica belt. Real leather, real WWF logo, deep etching. I'm very happy. Masad Ali knocked it out of the park. Awesome guy to talk to. Very helpful, understanding, patient. Never had copped an attitude or anything. So definitely hit him up if you want a belt, because this is very, very nice. I would definitely recommend the CNC belts. Definitely over the SD belts. I wouldn't even waste my time with an SD belt. Go right for the CNC. Can't be that much more expensive. All right, let me just go over the plates real quick. I'd like to get better video and pictures outside because I love the outside lighting. So I'll do that in the next few days. But it's hard to get a good idea with the interior lighting. Maybe here I would say could use some gold. I don't know if he missed a spot there. Minor things, but can easily be overlooked. Edge of the leather is nice. It's flexible. Again, I'm going to clean up these snaps. Looks like that's from the shipping. It was packed pretty tightly. overall, I'm very happy. I actually got 2 belts from him. I'm going to do a review of the second one. Just a moment.